How to access the filters and change them on any Vax Air Upright. To remove the bin, press this button and pull, and then you will see a locked and unlock icon, which lines up with the arrow on the bin. You just twist the top and pull, and then this gives you access to the filter. Here is the washing instructions if you wanted to clean the filter. This filter comes before the motor, so if it is blocked up, it will be affecting your suction. To replace the lid, we're lining up the unlock icon with the arrow on the bin and then twisting clockwise to lock it. Now to access the HEPA filter that sits underneath the bin. This catches the dust that is otherwise going into the air. Twist the cover and pull it off. These filters don't wash as well as the other ones. When they get like this, it really is time to replace them. Replace the cover in reverse order, twisting it to lock. Then replace the bin, press the button in, and then it will lock into the body. I hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe to my channel and I will be adding more Vax Help videos soon.